Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney with Doodle Dollars. Today we are going to be doing our Mini Monday savings. So if you're new here, what we do on Mini Mondays is we cash stuff these envelopes. These are all savings challenges and they go into our sinking funds for next month. At the end of the month, I come back, I count up all the savings challenges that we managed to save and we put it into our sinking funds envelopes. So I have $40 here today. I have 31s and I have two not buyback fives, they're just spicy fives that I'm gonna mix into my ones here. I'm gonna roll a die and see how many bills each challenge is getting. I have 6 challenges here. So challenge number 1 is getting 3 bills. 1, 2, 3. Happy Monday, everyone. I hope y'all are having a great start to your week. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, this challenge is getting our first spicy 5. Challenge number 3. Challenge number 4 is getting 2 bills. Challenge number 5 is getting 1. So when y'all are watching this, I will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I will be not on my way to the airport quite yet, but I'll be waking up, getting myself ready to go to the airport. My flight to France leaves at 4:30. Oh, here's our second spicy 5 going into challenge number 1. So I'll probably be, making sure I have my passport and all that ready to go. It's kind of stressful flying internationally, but I've done it so often, like you would think that I would be used to it, but it still is stressful for me even as often as I have traveled. So hopefully everything is going smoothly, but I'm excited. I'm excited to go see my sister. My sister moved there last July. So I'm excited to see her and spend time with her and her kids. It's going to be fun. All right. So this challenge is by Kia B Budgets. That's her name on Ko-fi. It's Kia B on YouTube. And this challenge got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 2, 4, 6, 8. So that's perfect because we have $1 here that we're not going to be using. So we have $10, $15, $16, $17, $18. And we finished this. Alexa, what is today's date?
Today is Thursday, June 5th.
On June 5th, how many dollars did I say? 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, with $18. So all of these challenges will be linked below for y'all to go check out these creators, check out their Ko-fis, their Etsy stores, their YouTube channels. All right, so that one is our first finished challenge for today. We should finish a couple more maybe, I think, if I am remembering correctly. Okay, challenge number 2 is by Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. This is a little freebie on her Ko-fi page. There's this shrimp and there's like a narwhal, I think, as well. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're saving $2 over here to the side that we're not using for this challenge. All right, so this one we saved 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. And we finished this on, what is today again? The 5th. 6, 5. All right, so that's our second finished challenge. Yay, so exciting. So what have y'all been up to though? Tell me about your weekend. Tell me what you have going on for this week. What are some fun summery things that you've been up to? Today I was so excited because, as some of you know, or if you've seen my posts, I have been on a weight loss journey since like the fall. And today, when I weighed myself, I had a 1 in front of my weight for the first time in so long. So I was very excited about that. That's kind of like my first goal, was to get under 200. So that finally happened today. So I'm so excited about that. And I'm going to just continue on. I'm not sure what my second goal should be. I really don't know what my ideal weight is. I don't really trust the doctors and what they say, because I'm like, not everybody is built the same. And I think BMI is kind of a silly thing. But anyways, I'm just going to keep going until I feel good, I guess. And yeah. So for this challenge, which is by Cash Stuffing Canadian, Jen. Hi, Jen. We have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And that is quite a lot because we only needed 3. I think this one was just 1 per circle. So I'm just going to set everything else over here. We have $3 here. So this one is saving us 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I probably should have made each of those $2, but oh well. It's okay. I don't mind going through challenges because it just means I get to, you know, share the love with all the other creators that have made challenges, and that's fun. Okay, so challenge number 4. Did challenge number 4 only get $2? That's crazy. Okay, so this one is by Anna Banana Budgets. We got $2 here, so let's fill in 2 more of these ones. Each sun is worth $3, so we didn't have quite enough to do a sun. But maybe we'll come back to this one since we have extra money over here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. And challenge number 5 only got $1. That's also crazy. How did that happen? Okay, anyways, it's okay. $1 for challenge number 5. This one is by Budgeting with T. This is her thanks for 50 subscribers on YouTube. So it's a new channel, guys. Go check her out. We have $5, $10, $11 in here so far. And our last challenge, challenge number 6. This is a new one. Lindsay just sent me this in the mail. So Bookish Mama Budgets. Cute little llama. Look at that. So cute. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. And this is a save 15. So we have quite a bit of extra money here. We have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. $13. So I'm going to grab this challenge and this challenge. And let's see. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And let's roll and see which challenge is getting a bill. 3, 1, 2. So if I roll 1 or 2, a 3 or 4, a 5 or a 6. Because I really hate making decisions, guys. It's probably one of my biggest flaws is that I get decision fatigue so easily. And so this just helps me with that. And it's fun, you know, it just is fun. I had somebody comment the other day on my video, why don't you just stuff $40 into an envelope and call it a day? And I was like, that's a fair question. I understand, but it's just way more fun to do it this way. It's motivating. It's motivating for me to save money this way. I mean, if you are the type of person who just wants to stuff money in an envelope, I totally get that. That is not me. That is not motivating for me. It's not fun. It's boring. This way, it's a lot more fun. And it helps my brain be motivated to save money. Because if I were just stuffing money into an envelope, after like a couple weeks, I would lose all motivation and I wouldn't be saving anything. So if that's your personality and you are watching this video and you have not tried cash stuffing yet and you haven't tried savings challenges like this, maybe try it and see if it makes it fun and motivating for you. Okay, so we just added 3 to this. I'm not going to count it again because we just counted it. But let's add this back to challenge number 1 for next time. Okay, this one got an additional $5, $6, $7, $8. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're gonna finish this challenge. 7 and 8. Yay! Look at that. We finished another challenge, guys. How exciting. All right, so we have a total of $5, $10, $15, $16, $17, $18, $19. All right. So this is challenge number 4. Fourth challenge completed today. How fun. All right, and then this one by Lindsay. You got $2 extra in here. So we're going to cross off 2 more of these. So we have a total of $8 in that challenge. Oops, let me close that. Okay, and this one we're going to put under challenge number 2. So next time we do this, we're going to have 4 new challenges to put into these envelopes. We finished 4 challenges today. So 4 challenges finished today that we are going to put into our finished challenges bag right here. So exciting. I love it. All right. And that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you are still here, leave me. Let's see. Hold on. Where did my stickers go? There they are. If you are still here, leave me. Ooh, that's a good one. Leave me a tiger for some fierce savings today. All right, thanks so much for watching, guys. I will see you tomorrow for Tiny Tuesdays. Bye.